Hello, this is David Licken of today's Mortgage Minute with the Weekend Report. Appreciate you checking out today's video. As I said in yesterday's video, we have much to be grateful for as we head into this Thanksgiving holiday, especially when you consider how strong the real estate market has been in 2014. But what do we have to look forward to in 2015? Well, most believe that we're going to have another decent year, although price appreciation is going to be down substantially. Overall, Zillow forecasts that home appreciation is going to be at a modest 3%. Now, that may sound way off and disappointing, but it really isn't if you look at historical numbers. It's a good, solid number. Keep in mind there are four primary factors that will impact housing appreciation and the overall housing market. Of course, the most obvious one is what mortgage rates do. Now, the Mortgage Bankers Association of America is projecting that mortgage rates will not rise more than 1% and should stay by the end of 2015 right at 5% or just slightly lower. If it goes up above that, well, that could have a real dramatic impact on the housing market. The second would be as if we see a tightening of credit. Now, this is not anticipated. In fact, if anything, we're hoping to see a loosening of credit standards, and that is being talked about by loosening the standards of FHA, Fannie Mae, and Freddie Mac. There's big issues that are around that, so we're not sure we're going to see that. But really, credit is pretty available right now. Some think it's too tight, but if we see a tightening, that also would have an impact. Third would be if we see job growth and therefore household formation begin to deteriorate. That would be a negative. And then fourth and finally, if we were to witness a major stock market correction that would undermine investor and consumer confidence, that also would have a very dramatic confidence factor and cause housing most likely to stall. Keep in mind that home ownership is really a long-term investment, and that's how housing and home ownership should be viewed. Be sure to come back to this website tomorrow because I'll be talking about what is going to be happening with the economic calendar this upcoming week and what could happen with mortgage rates. Good to be with you. Thank you.